Welcome, Dr. Shane Harada here. What a pleasure to be with you. In this video, we're going to discuss three very important things: acupuncture points and the scientific perspective in how MRI studies actually show how acupuncture points affect the brain. Secondly, we're going to discuss breathing techniques and how breathing techniques affect the brainwave state. And third, we're going to discuss how smiling affects the brain and the nervous system, thus helping to prepare the nervous system for changes. So first of all, I'm going to share a little bit here. fMRI. Functional MRI studies the brain in this particular study, and as an acupuncture point is stimulated, the thought process originally was that a single acupuncture point would stimulate only a single portion of the brain. However, in using functional MRI, it's been shown that multiple areas of the brain are stimulated with the acupuncture point, and instead of just a single area, it's actually an entire network in different parts of the brain and different areas of the brain. That was a significant finding in science, that acupuncture points stimulate multiple areas of the brain simultaneously. Very important then, as we are working with changing neurology and reestablishing neurology, neuronal connections, that acupuncture can be very effective in helping to reset, reestablish, and even create new pathways. Secondly, let's discuss brainwaves. So here we have patterns of brainwaves, and you notice here we have beta. This is consciousness. Alpha is a light state of meditation. Theta is a little bit deeper state of meditation, and delta is a very deep state of meditation. Breathing techniques, such as using in the mouth and out the mouth breathing, puts the brain into the beta brainwave state. Alpha brainwave state is affected by breathing in the mouth and out the nose. Theta brainwave state is in and out using only the nose. And the delta brainwave state is in through the nose and out through the mouth. This is why in the complete alignment technique, we use in through the nose and out through the mouth to help elicit a delta brainwave state, a deep meditative state. Thirdly, let's discuss a little bit about how smiling and anchoring can affect the body. In this article from NeuroNation, you see here, dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin are released into the bloodstream. Here's a very interesting thing about brain chemistry. Serotonin is released from the part of the brain called the pineal gland. Dopamine is released from the brain in the gland called the pituitary gland. Those two glands are called master glands for the entire body and affect the entire body in that chemistry. So serotonin and dopamine are very important. Endorphins, of course, are released when the body is in a elevated state of emotion, and thus smiling, bringing that elevated state of happiness, love, other elevated emotions, really affect now the pineal gland, the pituitary gland. By using acupuncture points, we're now affecting various networks of the brain. By using breathing techniques, we're putting the brain into the beta or the delta brainwave state, and thus each of these are utilized in the complete alignment technique. This has been A Little Science by Dr. Shane Harada. Have a wonderful day.